We're back, guys. The nice part. Let's go ahead and continue. So let's go ahead and go. Hopefully we can find our way. Freaking glass. Seriously. Current position. I'm looking for the... Look at that crap. Fucking tripwires! Oh. Freaking glass! My God. Okay, well, where's a puzzle that I could, Where does the... Where does the power lie? Nothing. Freaking glass, dude. Like, seriously. God. I think the glass is more annoying than freaking tripwires. Is that in there? Gears, okay. Got it. Okay, health hype. What is that? Oh, a gun. Wow, I think I actually got that. Alright, that'll work. There's nothing else in here. This gun will actually really help me out. The gun and your fists are the best method of attack in this game. Like, it really is. Oh, here it is. Okay, another one of these puzzles. And this type of puzzle can burn an owl. Seriously. There we go. A lot of them are pretty simple. Even though it's a very, very overused puzzle, I find it pretty simple. And this type of puzzle can burn an owl, seriously!
Tap, this is his fault. He saved me from your trap, but then he wouldn't leave me alone. He kept asking about you, over and over, following me, parking outside my house.
He wanted to catch me, at all costs.
But he didn't care about me. Oh, he just kept beating me over the head with questions. I wanted to escape him, escape it all.
There is no escape. You will learn that.
I believe this is the very last victim that we have to go and save. God, I thought that tripwire was active. That scared me. A man's obsession can lead to ruin. Well, duh. Great, we got another combination lock. Find the combination to the lock. Alright, my health hypo's full. Well, I might as well just top off my health. And pick this up. That's blocked over there. Look over here. What the hell? Oh, I need a revolver. Jesus. Looking around. Case file, don't want to read that. Nothing's in there. More stairs. Okay. Second floor. Oh God, what am I going into? Water. Shovel. Oh God. I know you are looking to come to the room. I know you were looking to come to the room 204. Come to room 204, okay. creepy.
Just give me what I want.
Done. Nothing found. Okay, so room 204. Alright. Alright, there's no way to go from here. There is nowhere. Okay, so room 204. Where would that be at? Okay. Wow. Okay. Don't want a pipe. Looking around. Ooh, bandages, yay. Nothing's in there. No TV. Shoot! Freaking glass, man. No! Oh. Oh god. Ugh. Four. That's 304. Looking around. Ah. No! You can't go that way. Fuck you, game. So I guess I have to go downstairs, and I wasted almost half my health. It's a lot, game. Okay, that door's obviously blocked off for a reason. Oh, damn it. Oh no. Shit. What the hell? Oh. Well, that was easy. Oh, light bulb, yes! I think that was the easiest pipe challenge I've ever done. What the hell happened in here? Ooh.
You're the reason I'm here.
Oh shit! Come on, get up. I dropped my revolver. Shit. Totally forgot that they were suicide bombers. Stairs are blocked off. Oh, yes! Got another one. That's why I like the gun, because it gets you out of situations. I know for a fact there's no tripwires over here, so I am good. It's like I walk up and then it shoots me in the head. Damn it! Alright. Crap. Forgot glass. That's room 304. Wait. What's in that? What's in that? Nope, go back. Is there a cabinet over here? No, everything's full. Okay, let us go back. And yeah, as I say, not get killed. Okay, it's disarmed. Anything? Find the room. Find the room. That's all it says, just find the room. I saw you coming. Coupler, fuse, nail, nothing. Oh, hello. Pipe, sinks. Oh no. Oh, right at the door. Alright. So now I have to go and get back to that room again. Oh good, it's open again. So now I have to go back, okay. No, I didn't. Fuck. Where's the revolver? Yes. Screw that damn pipe. Fuse. What is going on in here? Shed some light. TV's still gonna do nothing. Insert the bulbs and shed some light. What the hell? step behind the curtain. I think we're about to complete the game, guys. Let's go down. TV's still gonna do nothing? Alright. Oh, shoot. Crap. 831, okay. There we go. Okay, get to the stage and rescue Jeff. Okay. Here we are. There he is. Oh no. I remember this trap.
Oh my god!
Hello, Jeff. Day after day, you live alone, isolating yourself to avoid the stress of reality. You have tried to take your own life on multiple occasions because you cannot endure the mental pain of everyday life.
Get me out of here!
Now you will have to endure
Oh,
real pain.
this freaking puzzle.
The game is simple. Detective Tap must match all the corresponding symbols, and you will be released. Match the wrong symbols, and a metal spike will pierce your body. Match too many wrong symbols, and your suffering will end.
Shit. Now the good thing about this puzzle is that there's no time limit. Oh, this is a matching game. Shit. That's right. This took me forever to do. Damn it. I'm not gonna get this on my first go. I'm not gonna get this on my first go. Yep, there he goes. This is a difficult puzzle. Okay, let's watch the tape again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay attention to the TV screens and I'm going to see what's what, because it shouldn't have changed.
Oh my god!
Hello, Jeff. Day after day, you live alone, isolating yourself to avoid the stress of reality. You have tried to take your own life on multiple occasions because you cannot endure the mental pain of everyday life.
Get me out of here!
Now you will have to endure real pain. The game is simple. Detective Tap must match all the corresponding symbols, and you will be released.
Okay.
Match the wrong symbols, and a metal spike will pierce your body. Match too many wrong symbols, and your suffering will end.
I just took it so I can look at it. No, it doesn't match up. It doesn't match up. So it's all about basically. Wait a second. Yeah, it changes every single time. This is not going to be easy. And he's gone. are you supposed to figure this out?
Too many wrong symbols, and your suffering will end.
Oh, I found the freaking gun bullets. Got that. Shit. Found that. Oh, so every time you... Oh, okay. Damn, shit. I found the heart. Yes. Puzzle. Oh, I found the pills. Yes. Puzzle. No, that's nails. Shit. Okay, got it. Where's the plane? Fuck, it's nails. I forgot. There we go. Plane. Yes. Yes. I got it. Oh, I got it. Yes. Yes.
You're that detective! The one who... Are you here to harass me some more? To interrogate me?
That looked painful. Are you bleeding?
What do you care? You gonna ask me what he looks like again? You shit!
I don't want you bleeding to death.
Yeah, sure. You just want to know his face? Well, I didn't see him this time either, so...
Don't worry, Jeff. I got this son of a bitch. I have evidence. We can beat him.
Fuck you! I'm not going back out there again. Not for $1,000,000. Not for anything. He's crazy. You're on your own.
Ah. Well, that was kind of difficult, but I did it. Born victim. Oh, there's Pigman.
What do you see when you imagine me, detective? A masked vigilante? An obsessed psychopath? When it comes down to it, detective, we are the same man, just separated by degrees.
Get me out of this thing!
Shotgun's full.
I can hear you.
God, I have like 4 fucking bullets. Jesus. Now I know we're almost done with the game because Jeff was the, I think he's the second to last person that you complete. Of course you can't freaking shoot through fences. Totally unrealistic shit. He's gonna die in there because he has the bear trap on. Keep looking. What the hell? What is it? Gave me indication for something. Ah, forget it. Probably nothing important. And there goes him. He is guilty. Fuse. Whoa, okay. Don't want to go down there. Almost dead.
What you have been seeking is in the library.
Whoa. I see you. Nothing. Door sealed. Let's keep. What else is around here? Wall can't be broken. There's gotta be something around here. Knowing Jigsaw, something is gonna be really obvious. Scientists. Oh, here we go. There he is. Coupler. Okay, if I get one of those, there's gonna be one of those electric traps around here. Nothing. Oh! I knew it. Oh yeah, we gotta hit the walls. Another tape recorder.
My masked apprentice seeks to surpass me by sabotaging your game. He has the only key to escape my final gauntlet. Use your surroundings to defend yourself. What will you do to live, detective?
Okay, gotta unlock the cabinet. Health, yay, more health hypo. Got it, finally. Took me long enough. Whoa, what the hell's going on?
Fucking bitch! Who's there?
I think this is the end of the game. I think this is like the last part of the whole game. Just escaping and getting out of the asylum and confronting Jigsaw. Because I know Jeff is like the last guy you go up and save. So we don't have any more people to rescue anymore. This is not just... I was gonna say, this is not just a corridor. Something's gonna jump out and try to hit us. Yeah, this is almost... I think we're about to finish the game. Yeah, because we fight him. Yeah, this guy's got a lot of health. Hit him. We just gotta keep punching this guy because Pigman's got a lot of health. Come on, come on, come on. Hit him. Come on. Come on, punch him, punch him. If I had a bat, I'd be able to take him out a lot easier. But I'm just using my fists. Is there anything around here I could use?
He is vulnerable in situations like this. Use your surroundings to end his game.
Is there anything around here I could use against him? Fuck. I don't think there is. No, there's not. Come at me, Pigman. He's almost gone. He's almost gone. Get off me, bitch. Yes! Got him! The library key. Violence begets violence. Enter the library. Ah, you... God damn it! Do I have to respawn him all over again?
Fucking tripwire!
Don't tell me I have to, please. Son of a bitch, I have to. Oh my god. Fucking tripwires, man. Son of a bitch, I have to fight this bitch again. I have to fight this fucker again, oh my god. Okay, well I'm gonna defeat him again and then I'll see you guys in the next episode.